or zero carb pe chale jaye. It's so easy to lose weight, get onto high fiber, high protein diet. Tell me, when somebody is trying to lose weight, gain muscles, supplements and protein powders are being sold in the idea that you want to build muscle, really abs and all of that beauty looking things, right? From the aesthetic point of view.
Nobody has tried using the Indian diet. भले ही फिर वो बंगाली थाली हो. सो ये क्लास 1 प्रोटीन, क्लास 2 प्रोटीन, मैं देखती रहती हूँ ये रील्स एंड आई एम लाइक वाओ, व्यूज के लिए क्या ही कर लेंगे हम सप्लीमेंट्स के पीछे पड़े रहते हैं. द बॉडी डज नॉट रिकॉग्नाइज इट.
Lot of nutritionists, lot of dietitian, first thing they say कि मीठा छोड़ो.
2 कप चाय, माई प्रॉमिस, डेली. जो भी बोलता है ना कि फैट लॉस एंड मसल एक साथ होता है, इट्स इम्पॉसिबल.
Who's been saying कि आप जितना चाहे उतना आलू पराठा खाओ, आप वेट लॉस कर लोगे.
खाना खाने के बाद भी आइसक्रीम ठूस सकते हैं हम. आई डोंट हैव टू एक्सरसाइज. वाओ.
Tell us, what is the mental tax you had to pay when you were trying to go on a diet?
You know, when you swipe, I also see that there are a ton of wrong things that are coming home.
What would be the nutritional advice that you would like people to stop following now? PCOS affects 13% of women worldwide, yet 70% remains undiagnosed. And this is the data shared by WHO in 2023. Today, this is not about just health crisis, but it is also about mental crisis. And we have with us on our show, next page with us, is Khyati Rupani, a woman who has not only lost 40 kg and reversed her PCOS, but she has also been working with 75,000 plus clients worldwide, helping them to lose weight, reverse PCOS, and helping them identify their new identity. But behind the number lies the real story, the story of resilience, challenges, mindset shift, and the new identity she adopted. So let's welcome Khyati Rupani. So welcome, Khyati. As we begin, usually we all talk about success, hai na? But today we really want to talk about, I think the world have spoken about your 40 kilo weight loss and PCOS and the reversal. But here today we would want to talk about the lowest point before achieving that 40 kilo losing weight as a success in your journey.
I think the lowest point of any woman's life will be the fact that she's been told, you have PCOS and this could lead to infertility and you may never be able to have kids unless and until you go for some treatment. So I think that was the lowest period of my life.
So tell us about your journey, the moment you achieved your weight loss and then you found your new identity coming up. So do share your journey first.
So I'm pretty boring that way. I tend to not register success too much. It just keeps me going and going and going. And when I lost weight, when I conceived Trisha, I got very busy with pregnancy. I got very busy having her in my arms, and then I got very busy. And I was 99 kilos even after delivering Trishu. So I didn't bother. It was too much fun to just have that little one in your hands. And when I could not lift her for more than 10 minutes is when I realized, I need to lose weight again, because I don't want to be a mother who doesn't run with her or doesn't swim with her or doesn't take her places. So again, it was more of let's do it for this purpose. So I didn't really register why. And then the moment I started losing weight, again, I started relating to a lot of other women who were struggling, because wahan na the Facebook groups hua karte the. Lot of women used to write about these issues, and since I knew and since I went through it myself, I started helping them a lot. So again, more than registering my positives, I'm like, oh hey, you know what, she has a problem, let's solve it. And it just led to the birth of balanced nutrition. It led to you have to make a video, so you have to go shopping. So again, it's a task, okay, shopping jana hai. So shopping also, you tend to pick up XL first, and you tend to pick up an L first. And then everybody around you will be like, why don't you just go get that S? It's still difficult to, absorb such facts that, nahi ho gaye ho na ye. Maybe it's a personality thing, or maybe it's a person who's always been fat thing. But there was no such thing as anything changed overnight or something.
But were you always like plump, fat?
I was always plump and fat. I was this girl who used to only study and eat. I wanted to become a doctor.
Change, that made you realize that now it's time that you need to use.
You tell some 24-year-old that you're not going to be able to conceive. itself is the biggest shock, right? And I had the right guidance. With PCOS, a lot of gynecologists put you on tablets which are contraceptives, which only worsen your case. I had support of very, very, very good gynaec from Neelavati Hospital who first said, don't get into all this rut. Just go take the harder way out. Go try and figure out you're a nutritionist, lose weight. And when I lost weight, I just conceived naturally. It was just about 10-15% of my overall body weight. And it was magic. So I think I don't have to play that much of a pity card or something. There was a solution provided. I just made sure I did that.
But जितना ये simple sound करता है ख्याति, I'm sure it's not so simple. Even being a nutritionist, you would have your tough time some days, because somebody who loves eating, who loves studying and eating all the time, and you have to completely change one point. Yeah. There's so many women who are already fit, but again, losing weight at times or, getting back into the diet plan can be difficult. Somebody with PCOS, I'm sure, is even more difficult because now it is like you have to do it if you have to achieve. Yes. So tell us a little bit more around that.
See, I think a human being, there are two things that a human being needs to shake the core out of themselves. Forget only health issues. One is they need to face a severe setback. For me, that came, I was not planning to become pregnant at 24, obviously, but it came to me as a setback that something so taken for granted is not going to happen. And second is, the human brain does not like to listen to the word no. So I was a foodie, I was a good Jew, I had my own eating habits. I realized that if this has to happen, I can't go by my textbook. I can't do very tough diets. I can't set goals where मुझे अगर कुछ नहीं भाता तो मैं नहीं खा सकती उसे, right? I started finding solutions. As I told you, my personality is not about sitting and whining about the problem. It is about finding solutions. So I used to just find solutions to beat my cravings. So, I also am somebody who likes a glass of wine here and there. And I tried figuring out the alcohol then. I said, you know what? Let's take a look at all the alcohols. Let's read about alcohol के बारे में कोई इतना पढ़ाता नहीं है कि तुम client को alcohol देना और ये अच्छी calorie है ये बुरी calorie है. I studied that whole thing myself. Okay, I went through the whole alcohol menus available in India, in flights abroad. I made my own list and then I started experimenting. Okay, that look, I had 30 ml of vodka, this happened. I had a glass of wine, oops, this happened, or hey, that happened. Similarly, I started doing the same thing when I visited restaurants. So I started understanding that यहाँ भी मुझे smartly खाना है. So I was not saying no to myself. I was just plating my food very smartly. Okay, that is what is sustainable, practical and doable. So मैंने अपना एक practical रास्ता ढूंढा, which I believe is helping so many women. In the last 10 years, we've helped thousands of women with PCOS, infertility, endometriosis, cysts. And for them, just the fact that ख्याति ने मना नहीं किया है, हम ये खा सकते हैं. Okay, so I have my own tricks. We say 4-bite rule. Okay, that समोसा खानी है, चल ठीक है 4 bites खा ले. कोई भी खुश नहीं हुआ है पूरा समोसा खा के. It's guilt tripping. So that's how I have, programmed everybody's brains, or my team has rather now learned it. And I think this is the best way. It's the easiest way. All our clients today have a restaurant line. Wherever you go, you want to eat Chinese, open it. Figure out how to eat Chinese, you will not gain. So how to make an 800 calorie meal, a 350-400 calories is what we do.
So give us, if some woman who is listening this right now and who wants to really control the plate, what would you tell them? How would you advise them quickly?
See, it's very easy in theory. Okay, we say 50% veggies kar le, 1/4 grains kar le, and the other 1/4 protein kar le. If I have to put it to you, let's say for a North Indian thali, when you're going to eat outside, I would say, please pay for that green salad. It's okay. It's going to save us a lot of weight gain. So, पहले एक plate green salad मंगा लो और एक glass buttermilk मंगा दो. First, finish these two and then hop on to what do you want to do today? You want to do a roti or you want to do a rice? I generally pick rice because I find the maida rotis now very difficult also for me to digest. So, एक steam rice की एक bowl and मैं तो smile कर देती हूँ. बाकी अगर आप लोगों को extra पैसा भरना है भर लो. एक प्यारी सी smile देके उसे बोलो मेरी दाल तड़का में तड़का मत डालना. There is already a tadka in the dal when they prepare it. When they are serving it, they are throwing extra tadka on your dal. So I say, wo mat karna. And then I enjoy that whole plate so much. And it is so satisfying. Otherwise, I would have done so much mess that I would have costed myself 900 calories. Now look at this. Okay. I don't like encouraging people to have sabzis, which are specially kolhapuri or jalfrezi. I'd rather say agar khani hi hai na to ek sukhi sabzi manga lo. Even the aloo gobi is fried, but just pick up a few gobis if you are a very sabzi person. That is how plating happens. You go there, you enjoy yourself, and you're good.
So it's structure plus mindfulness.
Exactly.
So what I absolutely see in this part when you mentioned was nothing about not eating, but how you structure to eat when first.
Yes. You know, we have a word for it. The clients register it really well when I use this word. Jugaad.
We're good at it.
Jugaad kar le. You know, don't say no. Just go, have fun, eat, come back. Most of us go to the restaurant and eat paneer tikka and come back, and have a soup and come back, and they feel on top of the world, right? मैंने आज सिर्फ टमेटो सूप पिया और पनीर टिक्का खाया. I'm like, welcome to my world. That 4 pieces of paneer tikka, it is paneer. Now, paneer is high fat. Let's remember that, okay? So, high fat paneer ko butter and makhan and high fat dahi wala marinade se, uske aapne 4 pieces kha liye. What's better and what's more filling? Because that soup is also having lots of cream, lots and lots of salt. It is having lots of calories. So, यहाँ पे हम grain नहीं खा रहे, thinking, oh my God, what's happening? But look at this, you know. So, engaging the client or engaging the person to be able to give this gyan is what I think a nutritionist should do.
So people say usually low carb kar lo or zero carb pe chale jao. It's so easy to lose weight, you know, get onto high fiber, high protein diet. It's difficult to follow after a period. Yeah, it's damn difficult to follow. I think before pregnancy when I've done it, now, dude, I can't. I either choose one of the way you said, either, you know, I take roti or I would take rice. But then I would want to have the whole thing now. I cannot do this low carb, zero diet. Still see people promoting that.
Yeah, but I'll tell you what, okay? The issue is, as a nation, okay, as Indians and as people who have taken their whole roots, not just we, our ancestors are born in this land, right? We are a land of millets and grains. Our genetics are about digesting, assimilating, and using these grains for energy, for growth, as well as our body is tuned to get protein out of that. So ये class 1 protein, class 2 protein, मैं देखती रहती हूँ ये reels and I'm like, wow, views के लिए क्या ही कर लेंगे हम. ये सब मुझे भी सिखाया था. But imagine a body, it is so smart. If you are iron deficient, okay, and if you still don't have iron the way it's supposed to be, जो इतना सा iron भी होगा ना body में, food में, the body will absorb it. The body is too smart to waste anything. Okay, हम supplements के पीछे पड़े रहते हैं. The body does not recognize it. उसे वो iron tablet, उसे वो composition समझ ही नहीं आती है. Hardly 10% हम absorb करते हैं. Whereas a poha, nobody talks about poha as an iron source, right? Poha बनता कैसे है? Rice flakes करते हैं उसे, right? तो फ्लेकिंग किस में होती है? उसको जो चपटा करते हैं वो आयन मशीन्स में होता है, तो उसके ऊपर आयन लग जाती है. ओके, एंड आयन का बेस्ट फ्रेंड है विटामिन सी. उसके ऊपर लाइम लगा दो आप थोड़ा. इफ यू ईट दैट, so that is going to be absorbed 50-60% as against the tablet that you're popping. So this is again a mismatch that is something which I love to talk about. And second is, हम क्यों low carb कर रहे हैं मुझे नहीं पता. We always are a high fiber eating population. You cannot eat your makai roti if you're not from the north. You can't not eat bajra if you're from your Rajasthan and Gujarat. If you're in Maharashtra, nachni is a must. And South India के millets तो पता है हमें पत्ता भी नहीं है. They have so many millets. So a land where there are so many high fiber gluten free millets available, हमें तो भैया पैसा खर्चा करना है. So we should not encourage anyone to do a low carb diet. It is not sustainable. But it's a short way of a client coming back to me saying kuch nahi ho raha, and I charge them again.
You spoke about supplements, right? And I think we see the supplement market is just growing like anything. It's growing like anything. From pehle to Indian supplements, every brand is coming with their own Indian supplements as well. From B12 to collagen, all sort of supplements have come in the market. But you have lost weight without any medication.
Yeah.
We would love to know about your journey without medication losing weight. By how did you support all your nutrients that was required? And how do you also make your client get it to? Because somebody trying to diet, somebody trying to lose weight will lose some kind of nutrients which is required in day-to-day life.
Absolutely.
So many nutrients when we talk about the men have it, or if that's also not the fact, then I would love to know more from you on this part. So yes, please share your thoughts, your journey, your research, and what you have to say about it.
Right. So, whenever someone is trying to lose weight, we try to, experiment with our brain saying, नहीं यार मैं वजन कम कर लूंगी ना तो मेरी ये डेफिशिएंसी हो जाएगी, नहीं यार मैं वजन कम करूंगी ना तो मेरे हेयर को कुछ हो जाएगा. I feel these are all just mental bahanas to keep telling ourselves that, I shouldn't lose weight or I don't want to take that step. हालांकि, if you check your regular diet, okay, any which ways, your regular diet is so badly structured and planned that किसी को वो vitamins याद नहीं आते. जब मैगी खाता है तो किसी को प्रोटीन और न्यूट्रिशन याद नहीं आती है. जब हम वॉक करते हैं सब्जी देख के किसी को याद नहीं आता कि ये सब्जी विटामिन के देने वाली है. So first comes the fact that your regular diet itself is so poor in many things. Second is that हम ना एक साथ सारा collections of to-do ले लेते हैं. Like, when a client comes to us, he's extremely motivated. मैं gym join करूँगा, मैं ये कर लूँगा, मैं ये walk करने वाली हूँ, I'm like nothing doing. One change at a time. And first, 95% focus will be on diet. Okay, so पहले diet ठीक करते हैं. Diet सीखते हैं. How to eat first in a practical manner, not in the textbook manner. So one at a time is what I believe in because that protects you from failure. Second, nobody has tried using the Indian diet. भले ही फिर वो बंगाली थाली हो, भले ही नीचे फिर वो केरला, कन्नड़ा, हैदराबादी थाली हो, जो भी हो. Okay, each and every thali is sufficient in excellent nutrition, whether it is micro or macro. दो nutrients की बात आती है, vitamin D and B12. As a race, we were always a little lower on the D and the B12 levels as a race. It's a genetic predisposition compared to the people abroad. But हम अब वो values है ना, we are diluting it by making that this is the worldwide value and you should be here because I want to sell you supplements. Okay. Second, we definitely are to blame because you know what, our population was all about सूरज के साथ उठना है और बाहर जाना है. All our activities were outside. Okay, the men also went outside for puja, right? The women went outside in the morning, आंगन साफ करना. This was all also to get your vitamin D. Okay, हम सब्जियां जो खाते थे, it used to be dug, just cleansed with a little bit of water and come into the house. Now that soil जो है उसको touch करके जो enzymes बनते हैं वो vitamin B12 वहाँ पड़ा हुआ. अब तो वो खैर कितनी पॉलिश होके, टेम्परेचर कंट्रोल होके, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन में वो vitamin B12 हमें कहाँ मिलेगी. So that is where I tell them, okay, yeah, let's visit the doctor and let's create your deficiencies and insufficiencies into normal levels. Diet may it's not possible to include both these and say it's going to be good for you. But otherwise, all other nutrition, very much possible to get through your thali. Try to kar lo. So I did not worry about any vitamins, minerals, etc. at all because हमारे food groups है ना बहुत decomplicated है. हर एक चीज वहाँ से मिल ही जाती. Okay, so and every day is not an ideal day.
So as a nutritionist, आप easily structure कर पाए कि आपको कहाँ से क्या मिल रहा है. Now you just chose the right thing. Yes. But tell me, when somebody is trying to lose weight, gain muscles, supplements and protein powders are being sold in the idea that you want to build muscle, you need abs and all of that beauty looking things, right? From the aesthetic point of view. In that case, how do you advise it?
Tell me, एक चीज जिसकी इतनी साइड इफेक्ट्स और इतनी कंट्रोवर्शियल बातें हो रही है, Ozempic. Why is that becoming a super hit? Anything that gives you hope, okay, कि ये मेरी हेल्थ ठीक करेगा या ये मेरी अपीयरेंस ठीक करेगा.
Absolutely, the identity.
It's going to sell.
Right.
And I don't have to exercise. Wow. I don't have to visit a dietitian. मुझे हर मील ध्यान नहीं रखनी पड़ेगी babes, then तो यार it is, and there are certain supplements which are those tablets जो फिक्स करते हैं, फिर वो एक कुछ कट करो एक सैशे एंड आपको उसमें गट एंजाइम्स माइक्रोब्स में आएंगे।
Talking about
अरे काश ये होता ना, तो आज तो हमें गट
days gut reset.
यार, तो फिर ये अगर ये सच में होता पॉसिबल, मैं खुद ही नहीं ले लेती पहले। या बट इट्स easy. It is easy on my pocket, okay? And it is very, very easy for me to imagine that 14 days में कुछ होने वाला है।
But you know what, this Khyati, not only you mentioned me without naming the brand, Dr. Shubham, I had a conversation. He also mentioned the IM thing.
Yeah.
He's a gastropediatrist. No, he's not a pediatrist, but he's a
Gastroenterologist.
Gastroenterologist. So sorry. Yeah, gastroenterologist. And he also mentioned the exact same.
Yeah. And मुझे ना मजा क्या आता है पता है? None of us want to read labels.
Yeah.
We just want to read the first word. Okay, good. We just want to read the first line. Will help in weight loss. Will reset this. पीछे यार, there are stabilizers, there are emulsifiers, there are preservatives. Anything with preservatives, has it ever helped your gut?
Absolutely.
So it's easy. Now I'll tell you about muscle building and all. जो भी बोलता है ना कि fat loss and muscle एक साथ होता है, it's impossible. Whenever somebody comes to us, the first phase of weight loss is fat loss. That is when every single cell of your body is undergoing a process called catabolism, which is breakdown. So I'm very honest. I'm like, maximum fat loss hoga, but you might lose on some muscle because of the body's nature to react when you are planning weight loss. So the first journey they start is that they end their journey with a program we have called body composition analysis बोलते हैं उसे, sorry, with a program called body transformation. In that we reassess कि भाई इसकी muscle and इसकी fat composition क्या है, तब जाके उसे protein सिखाता है. So it is step 1. Maybe the weight has plateaued, address that first. Step 2. Step 3, if there is any deficiency in skin, nails, hair, address that. Then go to the last and final phase, which is let's have a body composition where you won't relapse into again gaining weight, or you won't relapse. So that is a long process.
So I have worked with a lot of CEOs and senior leadership people in the corporate, and when I work with them, I work on the confidence coaching. We're already at a certain position, but the work that we do is working on the mindset perspective. Right? Lot of identity shift that we do with them, and that's where the whole game changes, because it was never about their capabilities or skill sets. It was just about their mindset.
Correct.
Do you also have to work most of the time on the mindset when it comes to, people trying to lose weight or do anything with their body, do any kind of change with this?
So, you know what I tell my team every single day? The moment you sit on the chair and start work, forget all your problems. We are now going to be getting a ton of problems, and these clients and their problems are our problems. So it is only and only about the mind. It is only about how that particular person is feeling today. Okay, so diet bol दूं, but agar frame of mind ठीक नहीं है, there's going to be no results whatsoever. So that's why now the first 10 days of our program are extremely essential, where I feel that यहाँ पे एक ऐसी डाइट देनी चाहिए. Again, I'm playing a little bit with the mind कि उनको कैसे भी करके रिजल्ट मिले, and at the same time they are eating.
Yeah. So once you get that,
motivation, and you are good to go, then they will do whatever we say.
Yeah.
But again, I have 2 promises I make with them. कभी भूखा नहीं रखूंगी, and second is कभी कोई मुश्किल डाइट नहीं दूंगी जो भाती नहीं है.
Do you allow them to have like sugar and sweet in their diet? Because I think lot of nutritionists, lot of dietitian, first thing they say कि मीठा छोड़ दो.
तो वो तो गूगल पे भी मिलेगा.
हाँ.
तो उसके लिए पे क्यों करेंगे कोई मुझे? See, I'll tell you what, okay? Again, it's the mind. I told you now, the human brain can't hear the word no. And they can't hear, the reason they don't step in is because चाय बंद कर देगी. I say, 2 cup चाय, my promise, daily. Okay, if you're so addicted to it. Rest of the day, मैं जो बोलूँगी वो कर लो. So that 2 teaspoons of sugar, if are going to align 100 other things in the day of my client who is not motivated, who is not super perfect, he's a human being. Okay, I am ready. It depends on the mind. It depends on the motivation level. It depends on what is the emotional makeup of this person. वो already काफी सारी चीजें करने वाला है जो उसे नहीं पसंद. तो ये एक छोटी चीज तो हम छोड़ ही सकता है.
It's like playing with the child mice.
Exactly यार. एंड आके ना फिर खुद ही एक कप चाय हो जाती है. फिर वो चाय में एक आधी हो जाती है. By the end of the program, they like having sugar-free chai, sugar-free coffee. Their taste takes time to develop, no?
I don't know if you heard of without naming, this nutritionist come diet planner who's been saying कि आप जितना चाहे उतना आलू पराठा खाओ, आप weight loss कर लोगे. जितना चाहे
उन्हीं की
आप weight loss कर लोगे. Have you heard of?
उन्हीं के actual diet plans मैंने देखे हैं. There is no sense of aloo, there is no banana, there is nothing.
So how do they keep?
Because you want to make a reel and you want it to go viral.
It's like stupidity and getting viral just for the heck of.
Yeah. Listen, that is, जब बच्चा पैदा होता है ना, तो he has the exact amount of breast milk he wants and then he'll put it away, right?
Hey.
That is because the sense of feeling full is very nicely programmed and strongly working. By the time we grow older, our stomach is the most elastic. So please, कोई नहीं बोल सकता कि हम नहीं खाएंगे या कम खा सकते. इसीलिए दे कितना भी ठूस लो. It's fine, right? खाना खाने के बाद भी आइसक्रीम ठूस सकते हैं हम. मिठाइयाँ It is how it is, okay? So the reflex and the reaction कि I am full starts getting slower and slower and slower because of the abuse we do. Okay? Then you can't allow that person to eat till he's full. Poor guy doesn't know he's full. We have to establish that. And yes, उसका volume भी कम नहीं कर सकते. So what I do is I give them a high volume, low calorie diet. So either it's 4 almonds or it is a big bowl of watermelon with chaat masala and lime. I eat this, I'm happy, I'm satisfied. I eat this, it didn't have taste. हाँ ठीक है, omega-3 health है तो है. I'm going to end up eating a lot more after that. It is about the wise choices, okay? This is what we do initially. Then we go and we start talking about this nutrient, that nutrient later.
Tell us, what is the mental tax you had to pay when you were trying to go on a diet? Is that even a right question for you, because being a nutritionist?
It's a wrong question, I guess, because again, I'll tell you what, I am a person who is always programmed to find a solution to a problem.
Then in that case, tell us, is the mental tax your clients have to face initially when they where like 2 a.m. they call, they feel that they are in a difficult situation.
See, onboarding, when somebody is trying to start, okay, वहाँ बहुत हिचक होती है. Okay, we have to keep following up as to so much of terrifying reports you shared with us. Why aren't you starting? What happened? It's a lot of dar. A lot of dar of I'll fail again. A lot of challenge and a lot of fear. And then that's what I tell them, that I know you had a bad experience. I know आपको बहुत सारी चीजें मना करी थी, but this is not how it will work. And I'll tell you, till date in my practice, I haven't got a 2 a.m. call. I know what is the mental makeup. मैं खुद जा चुकी हूँ, गुजर चुकी हूँ, right? I make sure they let everything. मीठा भी अगर craving होगी, it's fine. This is what we do. So they have access to everything. They just have to be extremely motivated. That itself gives them a very peaceful sleep. कि उसने मेरा कुछ नहीं निकाल दिया diet से, and वो भूल भी जाते हैं अगर एक आध छोटी चीज निकल गई, because there's so much other variety to play around. So it is a failed mindset only when you try to do something where you take support of powders and pills and you leave your carbs and then you say मैं बाहर नहीं जाऊंगी because मैं diet पे हूँ.
So do you think mindset shift या motivation, जो आपने बोला, motivation के अलावा there is something that needs for a person to get into a diet plan with you? Because usually I'm sure there will be so many people who come to you saying कि यार मैंने तो सब किया हुआ है, तुम जो बोल रहे हो ये भी कर लिया मैंने, but कुछ नहीं हुआ. Yes. How do you make the shift in them and also
so my favorite line is, इतना कर लिया, कुछ नहीं हुआ ना, one last try. Just one last try. If it doesn't work, I'm right here. Okay? I am sitting here. We are here. Trust us. That is so magical now. Just the word Trust us. And the genuine word, it changes everything. It just changes the mindset that this problem is not mine. And that's what I tell them. Your job is only to report your weight to us when asked. After that, everything is my problem.
So, quick few questions, Khyati. What would be the nutritional advice that you would like people to stop following now?
Stop Zepto, stop Blinkit, and और क्या है? Swiggy, delivery.
वैसे तो Zomato है, so if there's a
फूड नहीं, फूड चलो एक आध बार कर लो, बट जो हम ये ग्रोसरीज भी एंड वेजिटेबल्स भी मंगाने लगे हैं ना, आई फील दैट वी शुड इंडल्ज इन गोइंग देयर आवरसेल्व्स and doing it. A, it'll burn 400-500 calories, and B, it makes you a lot more mindful than just swipe. And when you swipe, I also see that there are a ton of wrong things that are coming home जो कभी आते नहीं, बिकॉज वो बोले जा रहे हैं कि एक ऑफर है तो एक 400 रुपए का बिल 1000 रुपए का हो गया, एंड इट गॉट अ लॉट ऑफ रॉन्ग फूड इनटू योर किचन, and as a housewife, even I feel क्यों बर्बाद करना है इसे, and then it strikes me that तो क्या करे, ठूस ले. So the nutritionist in me speaks later, but then the housewife in me first wants to finish that out. Correct?
Yeah, because that's also our upbringing and our culture pana based in it, actually.
Yes. So more than Swiggy, more than Zomato, I feel this is really worrying me. You just can't keep ordering. You just can't not see what the brand is about. कभी कोई जाके ऐसे पीछे घुमाता नहीं है लेबल, प्राइस देख के तुम डिसीजंस ले रहे हो. So it's not cool, and it is daily we see it is increasing, the tendency of weight gain, diabetes, the tendency of developing thyroid, the tendency of cancer, cholesterol. These are all to blame, no?
So, Khyati, what do you do in case of when this weighing skill doesn't shift for months and do mice? How do you handle such clients and their mental traumas around it?
So there are two types of clients. Okay, one who lose 5 kg and they become super confident and they feel that ab mujhe sab aata hai. So when the diets keep going of session 6, session 7, they try and do जुगाड़ कि पिछले सेशन का ये दलिया पड़ा हुआ है तो मैं खा लूं, है ना, और वो ये वाली करते नहीं है फॉलो. So then they come back and say, shit, how did my weight not go down? So that is a pseudo plateau. So I ask them, you're getting compliments. It's, you're super confident. And again, the housewife comes in. कि ये क्यों पड़ा है यार, मैं यूज कर लूं,
क्या ही होगा,
क्यों नया मंगाना है, ये बोला ना, whatever. So that is pseudo, that is jhutha weight, which is not going. And then all you have to do is just tell the clients that try and follow. See, हमने बाउल का कटोरी कर दिया यहाँ पे. You need less of food. Try and be vigilant on the chart. Done. Sorted. The person is on track. Then there is sometimes a very genuine plateau that comes in. And when a genuine plateau comes in, there are a couple of things we do, which is using the mono diet. Mono diet is where you eat the same breakfast, same lunch and same dinner for 5 to 7 days, just so that your body has gotten a little surprised. Second, what we do is we tend to tell the person to follow intermittent fasting, just hours. Restrict your hours when you start putting something in your mouth and end time. So these are small changes we do in the clients' day-to-day eating habits. एक interesting plateau था. He lost 12 kg in 2 months.
Wow.
And I always asked him that, did you use the restaurant guide? You used to go out so much. Did you use the alcohol diet? उसने सब बंद कर दिया था. He was just following the diet, doing nothing else. I had to then force him. Now, this next session I'm giving you, you're going out twice. Okay? And you're drinking once. The weight just moved. I think he didn't realize he was carrying that emotional probably baggage कि मैं बहुत कम खा सकता हूँ. उसने अपने आप से बहुत calories restrict कर दी यार. So at that time, you just need to break it for a while. And those 10 days, he relaxed, he enjoyed, he came back on track. But then, to each his own.
This is so interesting how a human body adapts to everything. I mean, being calorie deficit or, even trying to lose weight, following a certain diet, the body is losing, you're doing everything right, and then it comes to a plateau even after doing everything right. Wow, that's interesting.
See, I'll tell you what, okay? The body hates, absolutely hates any trouble, any challenge. The body hates to exercise. Okay, the body hates the fact that uska fat loss ho raha hai. It is going to fight back. It is going to fight back. It's like the mind, right? Ab jitna chill maro, every day to come back to work motivated is something you do despite everything, right? It is the same way with the body. So you have to be very wise and you don't have to get overconfident. Again, eat smartly. Don't eat right. You will be able to sustain life for longer. Yeah.
And how do you differentiate between smart and right?
There is no one who can eat right except for actors, sports people, the top 0.1% who is extremely driven and motivated. Okay, whose profession wants them to get there. Okay, but otherwise, all of us can never just eat right. You have to be smart. Today, you think it's possible to let a whole week go by without adding a noodle or a bread or without adding anything which is preservatives free? We know we have, in fact, 3-day diets where we say that these 3 days, I don't want a single preservative entering your diet. And that starts from Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt भी shelf पे है ना वहाँ पे. So हमको तो healthy लगती है. But Greek yogurt में भी preservatives तो है.
Well, then, Maddie, even the milk that we buy,
That's a big debate on milk. You know what? Ye debate is there are two sides to this debate. One side is where I want people to go off dairy, which means I will depend on a lot of protein supplementation, which means a big industry is coming into being. Okay. And second is, I don't understand why suddenly in the last 10 years, people have become lactose intolerant. We have been having milk past 1,000 years से तो हमारे पास written documentations है. Okay, that man has had yak milk, man has had goat milk, cow milk, buffalo milk, you name it, and the region and वहाँ के animal की milk हमने लिया है. Suddenly, I don't know how we've become that. Yes, with respect to, milk adulteration, वो किसमें नहीं है यार. You're living in a country where the laws of nutrition labeling, where the laws are not very protected, okay? And yes, you want everything sasta. So, instead of going and getting attracted to sasta, go and find a brand or a dairy or something besides you which gives you more real food. I wouldn't say fresh and I wouldn't say preservative free, but the lesser the kachra, the better. तो अपना एक रास्ता ढूंढो. हम तो पनीर को भी पता बोल रहे थे कि there is a lot of junk now in paneer. Yes, but listen, you want everything sasta yaar. How is that going to be possible? I was asking one.
Oh, you have to make it at home.
Yeah.
ऐसे करोगे आप रोज?
Yeah, and you know what? I also, एक 150 रुपए में, I said, the chef, I said, ये कितना गंदा पास्ता है. Okay, we had ordered it from a cloud kitchen and I happen to have a chef who's a client and he said in 150 rupees, you want me to pay my cloud kitchen rent. You want me to pay for ingredients. You want me to pay for salary. You want me to pay the delivery partner. And you want me to give you best ingredients. I think the biggest cost cutting I will do is in ingredients. So you are eating shit. And that's what it is. That's the truth. So please, sasta. Looking for sasta. Because you are ending up paying in the hospital and a lot. And you end up paying every single day not feeling 100% up to the mark. कुछ ना कुछ दिक चलता ही रहता है. कभी acidity, कभी constipation, कभी बहुत ज़्यादा थकावट. But you still are very happy to get that at 8 rupees off. वो पुराना stock है. इसलिए उसे निकालना है वो.
Absolutely. And gut issues is rising like anything these days. A child of 7-year-old is getting a gut issue. पहले तो constipation, gas problem, acidity हम 45 plus या 50 plus में भी नहीं देख पाते थे. It was difficult. I've never seen my grandparents having an acidity का गोली और a gas का गोली. And now from 70 तक पहुंचेंगे कि पता नहीं 7 to 60 people are impacted.
I'll tell you, it is also the mindset of the parents, okay? अगर हम कुछ healthy recommend कर ले या कुछ healthy shelf पे पड़ा है ना, the parent will ask, can my child have it? You think it's safe? You know that low fat, you know that high protein, is it safe? मैं बोलती हूँ ketchup देने के पहले तो नहीं पूछा मुझसे. Every day your child is eating ketchup in a डब्बा, कभी नहीं पूछते. मैगी के पहले नहीं पूछते, मैकडोनल्ड्स ले जाने के पहले नहीं पूछते, फ्रेंच फ्राइज खाते हुए नहीं पूछते, ओके, घटिया में घटिया बिस्किट्स घर पे आ जाती है तब कोई पेरेंट नहीं पूछता. दे हैव जस्ट बिकम सच अ नॉर्मल पार्ट ऑफ आवर डाइट, right? But then anything that is a little healthier na, suddenly the whole is it safe comes into the picture. Why? Mindset.
And how do you handle these conversations then? What do you have to tell them? Because now, like you said, so I belong to a family where we only eat healthy. And everybody comes to me, yaar, your daughter ne yaar, kabhi to de de chips isko. It's okay, once a week she'll have Maggie and, all that, chocolate na, bacche abhi nahi khayegi to kab khayegi? They go to a point of saying ki immunity develop hoti hai sab khane sure. So this is the kind of conversation people have with me, and they like push me, and eventually, because then the other kids are having, the other parents are pushing me in front of my own daughters. I'm like, okay, theek hai, chal have it.
Ha. That's what I'm saying na. The culture is normalized. But I'll tell you what, whenever I am addressing parents or whenever I'm going to a school, they don't know. They just don't know. They are not aware of the implication a bowl of chips is having every day on your kid. They just don't know. But the fact is that, the first signs or the first symptoms of a heart attack develop at the age of 10. The arteries start getting clogged slowly. And the human body very resilient, okay? It keeps fighting, then it gives up. So they don't know. I think education.
I think we need this kind of education for the kids coming in school itself, because so that they become so self-aware.
Yes.
That they know now it's time to reject.
Correct, yes. In fact, as mothers, we tend to say, "Tu roti nahi khai to thappad padne wali aaj." You can't do that. See the child, I told you breast milk, jitna chahiye utna hi leke wo muh mode deta hai bachcha. What are you doing to this 1-year-old, 2-year-old? You are dictating their appetite. Nahi khana hai, it's okay. There is something that is working inside. He or she doesn't want. It's fine.
He doesn't need it.
It's okay. The only thing I think I did right was I never overfed my kid. I never went crazy about the fact that she ate only half roti today. And no, when she asked me for food, I gave her. So it has set an appetite regulation and decisions wo khud karti hai on how much she is eating and how full she is. I mean, touch wood, I hope now in adulthood, she does not, get accustomed to eating with friends and overeating and all. But ये बहुत deeply ingrained कर दिया है मैंने. Okay, so children have to make their own decisions when it comes to, yes, you tell. मैं वही बोलती हूँ उसे, सैलेड तो बच्चे लेना पड़ेगा, ठीक है ना, ये टेबल पे कंपलसरी है, जितना लेना है लेते हैं आप. It's her call. If she's really hungry, she'll take only 2 slices of kakadi, take more sabzi, take more roti. If she's less hungry, she may just take kakadi and walk off. I'm okay. But let her decide.
Let's say, Khyati, I'm a 32-year-old diagnosed with PCOS and gained like 15 kg despite the workout and the right diet that I've been getting. Now I feel that my body is, betraying me somehow the other way. So where do I start?
Something somewhere is not right. First of all, na हमें लगता है कि exercising is the solution to everything. You'll be very surprised that a lot of women see a positive difference the moment they stop working out and exercising. There is a very famous word, inflammation. You're already sick. Now, exercise क्या करती है? Exercise breaks down. Exercise causes inflammation, which is also taken very positively because उसमें repair होती है. और repair के लिए आपके muscles build होते हैं, आपका fat चला जाता है, so on and so forth. Exercise is not a solution for weight loss. Exercise has to be done precisely when you are not feeling terrible. A 90 kg guy who comes to lose weight, I cannot say चढ़ जा treadmill पे, चलो weights करते हैं. No, I always recommend कि पहले वजन थोड़ा कम कर ले ताकि जब वो जाए वर्कआउट करने के लिए उसकी कैपेसिटी ना रहे. So first is definitely with workouts, inflammation होगा, with that appetite बढ़ेगी, with that she's eating more despite she's saying I'm not. Okay, that is also something where seriously the girl doesn't remember कि मैंने ये खा लिया था. Okay, because you're in this I'm eating healthy zone. Second, most of us feel the low-carb, high-protein diets work, but in cases where there are severe hormonal issues, they backfire. So I have seen that a regular diet, a more balanced diet, where she's getting her slow carbs, where she's getting her good fat, tend to work a lot better. So it is completely ulta.
So if somebody wants to start it like at this moment, trying to understand, cannot afford a nutritionist or cannot do anything, what is the basic thing that somebody needs to look at?
The first basic thing somebody needs to look at is what is the amount of fiber I'm getting in my food. Okay, we are, hyping oats, but I would say that start your day with your upma and pohas. I'm fine, but make sure that it's 50% vegetables and make sure it has 20% sprouts. So this is what a high fiber diet does. Uski baad when you're having lunch, okay, again, please stick to whole grains, stick to brown rice, stick to najni, stick to all your high fiber foods. Don't juice it up. Eat it up. Try not to soup it up, okay? Even if it's a soup, make sure you're eating the soup. Have vegetable pieces in it. The more you chew, the better. So that's what I say. If any roti gives you 7 more bites to chew, that roti is better than a simple thick wheat roti. Simple, 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 simple. So eat, chew. What can you chew more? Fruits. What will you chew more? Steamed veggies. What will you eat a little more than that rice khichdi? It could be dalia khichdi. It could be a bajra khichdi. That is what you do. Simple, easy. Also, I always say that if I have not eaten 2 fruits, okay, till evening, my dinner will be a bowl of fruits.
And it's okay to eat fruit in the evening?
Because that's punishment, right? Oh, fruits. Fruits can be eaten anytime. I like eating them in between meals. So that uska jo vitamin hai, uska jo fiber hai, वो मुझे अच्छे से मिले. If there is a diabetic, I'll add a nut. Okay? कि चलो उसकी spike इतनी ना हो. But spikes बहुत अच्छे से control होती है by sprinkling lime, by sprinkling some cinnamon powder. All those tricks are already done. But yes, one between breakfast and lunch and one between lunch and dinner. That's the ideal time. हाँ, अब मुझे भूख लग रही है fruit.
That's your ideal time now.
Yes.
And your body always says it.
Exactly. The body. कुछ मीठा खाने का मन करे, एप्पल दिख गया मुझे. Okay. That is how you have to program your body. Right? किसी का मीठा केक हो सकता है. So the cake to apple journey is what we ensure the person.
Like shifting the craving.
Correct.
Not that shifting sugar.
Exactly.
Okay. Tell me, how much have you seen, or in fact, all of that you see is that the body is associated with confidence, relationship, growth. Does it happen mainly with women or both with men and boys?
So, see, I'll tell you, okay, a lot of successful, supremely successful people have always been a little overweight. Even if you see their heydays, they're bald.
Yeah.
Correct? Or they have a belly, or they have a camera appearance which is very less than ideal. Okay? So, I feel it is person to person and dimag to dimag. Honestly speaking, I never thought any lesser of myself, because my strength was my academics, my strength, to each his own. So if somebody has found strength in business and the business is reaching heights, it's okay. I know na, India is ruled by such people. You name the Adanis, you name the Ambanis, see the men. They don't give a damn. Correct? Later on, yes, when you get supreme amounts of money, you can buy a good appearance. But according to me, it is not with everyone. Then there are people. So when they come to us also, I just don't rely on them being positive about their body, but also positive about the talent they have or about whatever they are doing and how great it is. Right? So yeah, we have very famous fashion designers as our clients, and I tell them, my God, it was a dream for me in my school to be able to afford you. Look at that. Where have you reached? These 4-5 extra kilos don't matter, man. So then that gives them the courage, the confidence to say, yes, ये भी तो मैं कर ही सकती हूँ. Okay. Yes.
So I have got a client who is overweight, but she looks damn pretty. But the acceptance, when she came to me, the acceptance wasn't there. Eventually, of course, the kind of coaching that we do, we help them understand and accept their appearance, make them fall in love. The low self-esteem, yes. then I think it's mainly to do with women. I don't have a data to share right now, but yeah, I largely see then in my experience that women suffer a lot more than men when it comes to low self-esteem.
And that's, I think, with regards to not just self-esteem, everything. We tend to take it a lot more personally. We tend to delve into it a lot. See, I'll tell you what. Whenever I see someone unhealthy, I point it out. Okay? It has nothing to do with your self-worth or self-confidence. I am worried about the health issue you might get. So, you know what? It has to be bifurcated in the mind of the person also. It cannot just affect your self-esteem and self-confidence. It has to affect the other angle, which is, boss, अगर मैं ये ठीक नहीं करूँगी ना, I'm going to suffer tremendous health issues. हम लोग वो bifurcation नहीं कर पाते. That bifurcation is important. And when I point it out and my teenager tells me, Mama, stop body shaming. I'm like, you know what? Remove that word from your dictionary. Body shaming has got, you can't take your appearance emotionally. You have to think only about health and about how it is going to impact your health overall. So she's understanding, and I see that, yes, if told properly, this generation will understand.
Yeah, I agree that. I agree. They have much more awareness, knowledge, and acceptance if said correctly.
Exactly.
In fact, I think that's the best approach that needs to be taken. We don't have to kind of guide them. In fact, have a discussion with us, and they themselves give a solution what needs to be done.
Yes, absolutely.
I mean, this is a great leadership style also, which athletes follow, the cricketers follow. That's how coaching happens.
Exactly.
When it comes to group of coaching athletes. Do you also have to do sometime the identity shifting with your clients? Like they come with a perspective, they come with an identity, this is how I am.
No.
Because unless until they don't lose it, they won't be able to adapt the new process of their life.
Yeah.
So in our coaching sessions, we talk about it as identity vortex, where we talk about, the death of the old identity, basically. So that the person is able to adapt to the new role or the new image that the person is trying to adapt. So that's what even happening with the nutrition or the diet, because they're coming to you.
Yeah.
Mainly coming to you is to have a new way of living the life.
Yeah. So, I don't complicate it. In fact, when someone enrolls and when they ask that, how many kgs am I going to lose? So I say, baby, your body is not a sack of potatoes. I'm not going to be able to remove that kgs and say yes, but trust the process. But one thing I've seen, you see the dressing of our pictures when we put a before after. So जो before वाली dressing होती है ना, बहुत ugly dressing होती है, बाल इधर उधर होते हैं,
interest नहीं है,
interest नहीं है. But then very magically जो after वाली picture आती है ना, halter neck आती है, hair is well done. So I feel that it has played a role very quietly, just because I feel we've never let them feel they failed. Even if they eat wrong and come the next day, we are like, it's okay. Nothing doing, no detox, nothing. Let's move on with life. It's all right. It's all right. For us, everything is, it's all right. So when they send pictures, we then tend to explain to them that, do you see how your personality also changed? And they're like, yes. But I let them discover. I let them wait. I let them figure it out themselves. We are under the level, under the surface, playing a big role.
Right. This is like an inner shift that's happening to them.
Yes.
By just changing a diet, by losing some weight.
Yeah.
Because I think you're all associating looking leaner, looking fitter is equal to beautiful, confidence, able to grab more opportunities and etc.
That's a fact, huh? Anybody who looks fitter is always going to grab more opportunities, especially if he's a very good speaker too.
Khyati, so we usually people who are following diet or people are trying to eat healthy, but we're in India and festivals जहाँ गणपति शुरू होता है तो I think New Year तक चलते हैं.
6 महीना तो हम festivals ही celebrate.
I think that's the beauty of our nation. So in this whole process, variety of sweets, variety of fries, from samosa to kaju katri to barfi. And forget about sweets and fried food. हमारा खाना ही कितना स्वादिष्ट होता है, पूरी and bhaji and how do we enjoy it all without losing our mind in this process?
Okay, so I'll tell you what. Okay, every festival has a very peculiar thali that comes with it. It was aligned to be very apt for that particular season. All right. So अभी के लिए जो नवरात्रि की भी आप थाली देखोगे, we are shifting from extreme fasting of Shravan. We are fasting in Navratri. And then when you see, you will start seeing that calories are increasing little by little by little. Samosa was never a part of all our traditional thalis and all. But to mithai dekhoge, you see it keeps increasing, increasing, increasing. And see, Indians were always eating with the sun. तो इन विंटर ना हमारा खाना बहुत जल्दी बंद हो जाता है.
Right.
So the calories will keep increasing. The matti will come in. All right. Then you will have the pinni coming in. Then you will have raab coming in Gujarat. You will have South India में some very nice non-deep fried sweets which are made out of very healthy foods coming in.
Yeah.
अब हमने तो उसको पता नहीं क्या ही बना दिया, right? But I always, always, always encourage clients कि हमारे साथ ना एक ट्रैवल करो, भले ही फिर वो वर्क ट्रैवल हो या हॉलीडे ट्रैवल हो. हमारे साथ एक मेगा फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट कर लो, भले ही फिर वो होली हो या दिवाली हो या ट्राई हैविंग अ श्रावण फास्ट विद अस, डू अ रमजान विद अस, बिकॉज इट कम्स एवरी ईयर. Okay, and you again have to understand how to walk your way through it. So we actually have a free Diwali guide that we will be giving out. We actually have made guides as to, you know what, instead of this, try this मिठाई. मैंने मिठाई बंद नहीं कराई, मैंने सिर्फ उनके बीच का डिफरेंस बता के. So you know what, everybody blames the Kaju Katri, right? Trust me, it is one mithai which is vegan, which is lower on calories than any other, right? So imagine instead of being on a diet and not being able to eat it, वो एक ले लो as against. पता है शुगर फ्री मिठाई मेरे घर पे तो बहुत आती है, okay, जिसमें खजूर है, अंजीर है, nuts है. Compare these two. Okay, one is 60 calories. One piece here is 150 calories.
Oh, wow. Wow.
Same way, your regular dark chocolate, 45 calories lesser than sugar free. शुगर फ्री को पैलेटेबल खाने लायक बनाने के लिए बहुत क्रीम फैट लगता है. सो दीज nobody knows this. See, even you would have picked the sugar free, you know, मैं healthy खाती हूँ thing, but then you added so many calories. So this is why I say हमारे साथ एक बार travel करो. We also have in-flight, we have airport guides, we also have all these nuskhas which the world doesn't tell you.
Wonderful. I think this is great for the corporate people who keep traveling so often.
Yes, yes. So, you know, whenever I'm traveling, I'm like flicking menus. अब तो खैर वो QR code वाले हैं, मैं flick कर लेती थी. And, you know, the arrow says, I'm like, I'm a dietitian. I really need to, you know, check. तो वो जाके मुझे first class वाले भी menu दे देती थी कि please, if it's for your clients, please, this is what we serve. Lovely. Then our dietitians go through the websites. Okay, we check what is the menu on that particular flight. And then we say, ये उठा लेना. And आगे जाके 6 महीने के बाद, you will do it yourself.
Khyati, that's a deep work that you do with your clients. Huh? That's interesting how you not only research and give them the best plans, because when you're moving out of India, various Asian countries, European countries, it's difficult to even find what you get in India. And then yet manage the sleepless nights and the work and the drinks and then follow the diet so that they stay fit, come back fitter with what, and not even disrupt their weight.
Yes, yes. In fact, whenever I travel, I've never traveled to look at the monuments, or I've never visited the famous beach or the famous castle. But yes, I have visited all the famous food chains and I have visited all the famous supermarkets to get a list and come back.
मेरे मुंह में ना पानी आ रहा है, काजू कतरी याद आ रही है मुझे.
See, and so guilt free. But again, you know, one very important question. बहुत बारी ना मुझे ये पूछते हैं लोग कि मैं तो कुछ भी नहीं खा रही हूँ यार, I don't know why am I still gaining weight. And then they say, देख चाय के साथ क्या, शाम को 2 बिस्किट फिर सीधा डिनर. I'm like, wow, ये आपने 30 days किया तो आपने 60 बिस्किट्स खाई मैम. 60 biscuits is what? Okay, 16 chunks of maida of the dirtiest fat and tons of sugar. जो आपको लगता है क्यों कुछ भी नहीं कर रहा है. So same way, I also tell them that 5 days of Diwali, or let's say 3 days of any festival, just watch the volume. 5 days, okay, Kaju Katri is low in calorie, breakfast, lunch, dinner, हर एक में एक आ गई, la. Okay, I generally am a 2-bite person, so I will save it, I will keep it, I will eat it again. You know, it's craving. It's not to fill your stomach.
Yeah, so
yeah,
your body doesn't need it, your tongue needs it. Basically. But in fact, you're right. I see so many of my friends again who saying कि यार मुझे तो हवा भी लग जाता है. और सुबह क्या खाया? आलू पराठा, मेथी पराठा ब्रेकफास्ट में, प्याज के पराठे, पनीर पराठा, and they have not eaten their lunch. They skip lunch.
Yeah.
They don't eat anything till evening and they directly have dinner.
And then they will have a lot of it. Even though they'll be in denial, they'll be having a lot of it. Yeah.
But is this even good? Like not eating for such long hours? Heavy breakfast and then dinner.
You know what? It's difficult to put everybody into one bracket. कि मैं 2 meals खाती हूँ या मैं 4. I always go back to what were you doing for the longest time in your life? तो longest time in your life में मैं खुद breakfast नहीं करती थी. I'm a गुच्चू, we are a tea khakra population. I till today am a tea khakra person. You can't change so many things to make it difficult for you. So I say that ठीक है आप 4 meal लेते हो. Now let's plan your diet keeping 4 in mind. You know, so it's to each his own. And again, perfection लेने जाना है तो कभी achieve नहीं होगा. But within your limits, whatever you can do, let's do it.
So one last question, Khyati. I think this was an interesting conversation where we didn't really go about problems, but we were looking more for solution. And you were so open in sharing those solutions. So while we wrap up, just help us, how a regular Indian from, various parts of India, we have, I always say that West is one country, North is one country, South is another country because the kind of food variant that we have. So what is one simple diet somebody want to just stay fit can follow forever, like without any hesitation and challenges while choosing food? Wow.
So if I have to make it very practical and doable, I love the superfoods that are available in the kitchen. So I like telling people to start their day with wherever they are, based on that, उनके kitchen में ना एक superfood होता है. It can be cinnamon, it can be methi, it can be dhania, it can be jeera. In a Bengali household, there is pachforan. So I ensure that whatever there is, they start using that spice or they start using that superfood as the first thing in the morning. The second most important thing I feel as Indians we miss out on is regular consumption of fruits and vegetables. If you see every meal in the Western world, it's lots of fruits and vegetables. Yahan pe we tend to miss out. So as I told you, 2 fruits. If not, then my dinner is fruits. Okay. In terms of vegetables also, we tend to consider half a kakdi as a salad. So increasing the salad portion, again not buying kale, not buying the fancy lettuce, हमारा सुंदर अच्छा radish है, beetroot है, हमारी cabbage है जो हम कच्ची भी खा सकते हैं, बहुत बढ़िया लगती है with lime. So ordering a salad versus making a salad में, let's go for making a salad. Also please have a grain that is very staple to your state. State, okay? If you are in Maharashtra, ragi is a staple. We were supposed to have it. If I am a gujju and I start eating bajra every now and then, it's not going to, because look at my weather. It's not dry, it's humid, it is sometimes hot, it's sometimes cold. So state level, jo bhi local grain milti hai na, wo. And yes, I know everybody talks about protein, but please consider dals as a protein. Consider dahi as a protein. And yes, if you're a non-vegetarian, go ahead and take very less oil in any gravy you make. You follow this, you're good to go.
This is interesting, Khyati, and thank you for such a raw conversation, because I think one of the best podcast conversation I had today where we did not speak much about, problems like I was saying initially, but we spoke only about solution, and you were such a giver over here that anybody listening, please listen till the end, because there is a lot of nutritional tips, whether you're PCOS, whether you're trying to follow a diet, whether you're into gymming and trying to gain muscles. Very simple to do, forever to follow. Tips are here in this conversation. So thank you once again, Khyati, for your time, for your just being generous and giving the information to all our listeners.
Anytime. Thank you so much.